August 2021. This is not just Kone fixtures, but I want to show you why. Best is 4% to 25%. Se on Nuottikuja 4 in Järvenpää, Träskända, Uusimaa, Finland. That with the occupied text also. This was built in 1985, turned 35 years old, and last year 2020 there's a number SH63647, but yes, the buttons are high up like that. We filmed two similar ones in Järvenpää like this so far. This is the third one we've seen. Of course, it will be inspected in the next year 2022. I wonder why they put them like that. Weird. It was a part of an early design.
Yeah.
Very interesting. It's the same sort of blue turquoise color also as in Katajanoka, those 1986 finished ones,
yes.
85, late 85. Which I filmed all three.
Yeah.
And you know that. So this is like almost the same color.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Maybe this was finished 1986, but I'm not sure. Maybe finished late 1985, I believe.
Yeah.
Second silent ride.
Constructed by Järvenpää, maintained by God Altis.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. It was impossible to get inside this one.
That's